dura, mano arriba, ponte el movimiento y dura pa' contigo te subo de nivel. Mira cómo brilla mi.
What's up, Team T baby? You guys see I'm in a new kitchen today. What do you think? It's nice and roomy and big. I have my beautiful friend Elena behind the camera, but you will see her soon because I am going to be making her my famous TBABYCAKes that everybody always wants the recipe for, and I have it on YouTube, like I think at least like 10 times, but I'm gonna do it again and I'm gonna show you guys step by step the best breakfast that you will ever have. It's so good, and I literally think I eat it every day, which is why when people ask me why I don't do more of day in the life videos of everything I eat, because my breakfast sometimes literally like the same thing every day because I can't get over these pancakes. So we are going to show, well, I'm going to show you, and my beautiful friend behind the camera is going to help me show you how we're going to make these TBABYCAKes for you, and we're going to do vanilla style today, and then she will show you how good they are. Alright, so let's get started. So first, what you're going to do is take your 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and add in 1 packet of stevia. We're gonna mix in just a little bit of almond milk, just so it kind of overflows it, and then you're gonna stir it here until they're all coated, and then we'll set this aside. Then you want to get your magic bullet blender because it works the best. If you don't have one of these, you can try it in a regular blender. But we're going to get half a cup of oats, McOats. Oops, and sometimes just a little bit. So half a cup. And then you need 1 banana. And we'll just put the whole, oh, see, this is a good one. When it has like some brown, it means it's extra sweet. So throw in your banana. And then you need another packet of stevia. And put that in there. Alright, and then we need some baking powder. I usually just get like a spoon and just kind of scoop out like about half a tablespoon, probably like a teaspoon. Okay, and then some vanilla extract. Hi, puppy. And I just get like a tablespoon and pour about like a full tablespoon. Chia eggs are producing right now. They're making babies. Okay, now first we're gonna look at this. This is literally how I measure every time. I pour in a little bit so the oats get like filled, and then a little bit more, and then I take my chia eggs and pour in all there. Then I look at it again and I'm like, okay, this looks pretty good, but needs like another splash. Then we'll blend it. While we're blending it, I'm going to heat up my pan. Whoa! Okay. Okay. So I like to do it like this, where it almost looks like a shake, because then they come out fluffier. So when you really blend everything up really good. Oh my god, this is perfect. This is perfect. So we are using a non-stick pan. Whoa! Turn that down a little bit. Okay. And just pour out whatever size cake that you like. Sometimes I like to make them smaller, sometimes I like to make them bigger. It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Okay, so when to know how to flip it. When the edges start to get a little bit more cooked and golden and the bubbles start to come, you need to practice your flick of the wrist. So you have to make sure you get under there like that and then turn it. You see?
That's look perfect.
Yep. So now we're gonna keep on flipping, and then I'm gonna put some peanut butter on top, and if she wants some syrup or whatever she wants, we're gonna put on top. You can do it so many different ways. You can put fruit on top. I make my own homemade jelly sometimes.
I have homemade jelly.
Well, there we go. We're gonna do peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
You have so space now to dance.
Now I have my room to dance.
Okay. Smell yummy.
Oh yeah, girl. You are in for a treat of a lifetime. You know, I don't make too many people my TBABYCAKES. Okay?
I'm special.
So you are very special. She's gotten already a couple of my recipes, but I love this girl, so that's why. These recipes are very special. Okay, the touch I put a lot of TLC in here. Tender love and care for those who don't know. You know, she knows because it's the culture. It's the culture. See, look how it's bubbling. That's when you get your flick of the wrist ready. Get under there and flip them. And it's just like perfect every time. I've also done these before with my vegan protein powder. So you do the same recipe, you just add a scoop of vegan protein powder, and that's really good after the gym. And that's extra protein from the powder, from the oatmeal, from the peanut butter. We got some homemade jelly, fam. Oh. So we got homemade jelly, so we're gonna do peanut butter. No, just kidding. Just kidding.
This makes my way.
That was a joke.
But
We'll do
I'm not sure. I didn't.
cinnamon. Do you like cinnamon?
Dale la dura, tengo sueltecita la cintura, pa' bajito esa calentura.
Alright, you guys, it is almost time for her to. It is almost time for her to taste the TBABYCAKES. Now it's time to top them. Team T, baby. Okay, but these are for my girl. Ready. Alright, so here is her TBABYCAKES. Elena, you guys remember her? She is back. So let's see, take the first bite. And we're going to be asking her questions today. She's going to be doing a mukbang for you guys. But this is the most important part.
I like. Don't be shy.
It's everything around me.
Last time she got off camera, she was saying how shy she was.
Oh yeah. So I taste the most the peanut butter, and it's super soft, and it's delicious. I like. Okay, now I taste the cinnamon. I need more. Maybe when I'm little.
Yeah, last time when she got off the camera, she's like, wow. And I was like, girl, you're supposed to say that on camera. What do you think of these baby?
I think I will start to make them.
We'll start to make them?
And eat every day.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's addicting.
It's delicious.
Let's see the inside.
Usually
of
I don't like peanut butter, and I was so scared that I don't like. But I really like them.
You don't like peanut butter?
No, at all. I don't like. For real.
Are you serious?
But
Why didn't you tell me?
No, it's okay. I want to try. Maybe something different. I like, for example, peanut butter when it's with something else, but depends what. So like this I like.
Good. Well,
I was surprised because I thought maybe I don't like because it's peanut butter.
try one without the peanut butter. Like pull the top one off.
Let's see, maybe like this from the side.
Or you can pull the top one off and see.
Yeah, tastes like crepes.
Oh, like crepes? You should have told me you didn't like peanut butter.
No, it's okay. I wanted to try everything. Doesn't matter if have peanut butter or have something that I don't like.
She's so
I like to
cute.
try everything. I need to eat all first.
Yes, she has to eat it all. All of those. I've never had anybody have a hard time with eating it all though.
I don't think so. Just give me food.
I gave her 2 of my cookies before this.
Oh yeah.
And that recipe is up on my YouTube channel for those that want to make the cookies. But oh girl, oh yeah. I'm making her eat in front of the camera.
This is the most hard time.
This is the most hard time.
In front of the camera, everybody see me how I eat, like peak. Okay, let's see the question.
Okay, so we have some questions for you. Will you ever start a YouTube channel?
No,
Why?
because I'm super shy and I don't like to see myself on the camera.
No.
I like, but still, I don't know how people will react.
She will.
And I really like to do, but I'm just like, no.
No. Well, we're gonna make her start a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I need just to be more comfortable in front of camera.
That's what I'm here to help you with. Okay, keep eating.
More? Okay.
Hey, girl, you gotta finish the whole thing.
It's too big. Have one fat on the bottom.
Okay, we'll make you eat the whole thing in front of the camera. But just tell them, once you get that bite down, tell them your summary of what you think and I'll close it out. I won't make you eat the whole thing in front of the camera.
Okay.
Jeez.
I like that this part.
Yeah, maybe take off the first one, like move it to the side, and those have less peanut butter.
No, I just like peanut butter, make me too full.
Oh.
But this jelly is good.
It'd be really good with jelly on it. Team T baby. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's literally my favorite breakfast and my favorite recipe of them all. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel, and you will probably see more in this beautiful kitchen here where we can dance around and do more activities while we're cooking like I usually do. But
again, thank you for tuning in to T-Baby's cakes in my kitchen. And I hope you give this recipe a try. Please send me your pictures through email. Send me your videos, your pictures. Ask any questions you have. Come on, girl. Come on back here. And once again, we love you, Team T, baby.